So then now we're going to place our embroidery eyes in these areas here, which we don't really need that anymore. So grab your black yarn. You're just going to come under where that little dip is. And then go above it. And we want to kind of be straight here, not sideways, diagonal, straight up and down. We're going to come above it. And then come back out where you started. And you should only need to do this like 3 times. So that's 1 when you're using the blanket yarn. If you're using worsted, you will have to do this a little bit more. So there's 2. And then after I do the 3rd one, I'm going to come out over here. And do the same thing on the other side. That is how you do those. Now, if you would like to add some white accent, you can do that also. So you're just going to grab your white yarn. Come out the top. Down the bottom, and then back up the top. Make sure that this goes to the outside. And then you can add a little accent. In the center of the black. And then do the same thing on the other eye. So that's how you do that. You can also add like a little eyelash if you want to do that. The possibilities are endless.